Hello friends, this is Vivian from Lucas World, and today we have something for toddlers and little kids, because we are going to open some Mashems with Paw Patrol characters. We got 35 capsules here, we got full set, and you know what? We are going to take them out first, then we are going to open as many we need until we find all 6 Mashem pups. So here we have 35 Mashem capsules. So let's start opening and let's see if we can find our Paw Patrol pups. Alright, it's gonna be our first capsule. This one? Okay. Let's open it. Let's see. Who is our first Paw Patrol pup? We got Rocky.
This was squishy.
Is it squishy? Is Rocky squishy?
Yeah.
Oh, definitely it is.
What is spiders? Spiders were squishy.
Yeah, he's really squishy. That was big eye. Alright, here comes our first Paw Patrol pup. Now who's gonna be our second one? This one? Alright, okay. Let's open this capsule. Let's see if we got different figure. Hopefully we can get all of them pretty soon. Who is this guy? Who is this?
Sky.
We got Sky? Well, you know these guys better than me. Oopsie daisy. Alright, which is gonna be our third capsule? This one? Okay, let's try to open. There we go. Who is this?
Zuma.
We got Zuma. Squishy. Alright. We got 3 different pups so far. Let's see if we can get lucky this time. Our pup number 4 is gonna be... We find out after we open this capsule. And it's Chase! We got the blue pup. Actually, we got the second one because one is right here. So here is Chase. Squishy. Okie dokie. Time for capsule number 5. This? Alright.
Marshall.
Let's see if it's gonna be Marshall inside.
It's Marshall.
It is Marshall. How did you know? So here is Marshall. Cool. So it's gonna be our capsule number 6. This one. All right. Okay, open it.
It's Rubble.
Rubble, and that means we got the last pup. That's pretty awesome. Cool. So here are our rescue pups. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 rescue pups. Awesome. All right, let's squish them. They're bouncy too.
Ow.
How about? Oh, this one is very squishy. And bouncy. How about Chase? Well, I guess that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Good job, Vivian.